Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar chart on your Google Sheet, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to select the data. Here I just mentioned as store 1, store 2, store 3. So for an example, I'm just going to choose the data first. Then after selecting the data, you just need to click on the insert option on the top and click on the chart option here. Click on the chart option. After clicking on the chart option, you just need to change the type to the bar. You just scroll down, you will see option here to bar. So you can have a 3 different type of bar chart. This is the first one bar chart, and this is another type, and this is a third type. So you can just change which chart you just need, or you can just change to stock or none or 100% like that. And also, if you just need to change the color, for example, just click on the yellow color and you just can option to auto to the purple. So you can just change manually, or you can see the full color and full color line, everything can be customized. For example, just going to choose a bar color, and here it is on the autofill. I just going to change enter to the violet color, and also the bar 2 I just going to change it to the yellow color, and the bar 1 I can change it to another green color. So this is how you just change or create a bar color. You can just change easily, and also you can just customize the full opacity and also the full color, and everything can be customized like this. And this is how you just create a bar chart on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.